Welcome back to your favorite channel. Today, we're bringing you a special and delightful recipe for nut-filled pastries. This recipe is perfect for sweet lovers who enjoy rich and diverse flavors. We'll guide you through the process step by step, ensuring you savor every moment of preparation. We'll start by mixing 1½ cups of sugar with a generous amount of butter in a large bowl. Stir the mixture well until it becomes creamy, smooth, and light in color. This step is crucial for giving the pastries a light and fluffy texture. Next, gradually add 1½ cups of oil while continuing to mix until all ingredients are well combined. The oil will add moisture, making the dough softer and smoother. After that, we'll add 2 eggs, one at a time, stirring continuously after each addition. The eggs help bind the ingredients together, giving the dough a firm yet pliable texture. Now, we move on to the main ingredient, nuts. We'll use a variety of roasted and ground nuts like almonds, pistachios, or walnuts. The nuts add a wonderful flavor and a unique crunch to each pastry, making them rich and nutritious. Gradually add white flour as needed along with baking powder. Mix until the dough forms a cohesive yet soft and easy-to-shape consistency. Cover the dough and let it rest for a while, allowing the ingredients to meld and the dough to be ready for shaping. Next, we'll shape the dough using the palm of our hands, forming small balls or other shapes of your choice. You can also use molds to create beautifully shaped pastries. Place the shaped dough on a baking tray greased with oil or lined with parchment paper, and place it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Bake the pastries for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until they are fully cooked and have a beautiful golden color. Take them out of the oven and let them cool slightly. Not too much, just enough to retain their distinctive flavor. Once cooled, you can decorate them with melted chocolate or a dusting of powdered sugar, depending on your taste. To maintain the perfect shape of your pastries, stick to the recommended baking temperature and time. Also, avoid opening the oven during baking to prevent the temperature from dropping, which could affect the appearance of the pastries. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and activate the notification bell to receive all our latest recipes. Thank you for watching, and we hope you have a wonderful time in the kitchen. Enjoy!